to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi guys, and welcome to another week in my life video. This week is gonna be really hectic because we're kickstarting the birthday series. I don't know what to call it yet, but my birthday 23 birthday series. So today's the day, day one of me filming. I'm gonna be filming 8 videos today, 4 full videos talking wale and 4 just intros and outros. So it's gonna be a hectic day. This is my setup. By the way, my room smells divine because of this candle that's burning in the backdrop. So this is the candle. This is by Bath and Body Works and it's called Salted Caramel. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So I wanted to show you guys the setup for this new video. I got a ring light. Yay, finally. I'm so happy with this purchase. And I also ended up picking this new lens. So this is the 35mm lens. I'll leave a link of this in the description box below. We've upgraded and how. Let me know in the comments down below if my videos from the birthday series seem like more crisp and like more sharp, because I'm so happy with this purchase and I don't know why I didn't like upgrade sooner, but theek hai, chalo, no problem, better late than never. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of the videos and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So took a mini break and I'm having some Corona Kada. I'll link the video where I show you how I made it in the description. Also having some churma ka laddu. I think my neighbor like made it and sent it over. It's so good, so yummy. And also some banana. Thoda sa break lungi and then I'll start filming. Good morning. So slight change of plans. I was actually supposed to leave today at noon, pack and leave to the new place to shoot the intro, but that's not gonna happen today. Actually, it might happen towards the end of the day. Let's see how everything goes. Abhi today I'm gonna start with my DIYs, my room transformation actually. So that's what I'm gonna try to do today during the day, and then we'll see sham ko kya hota hai.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy.
So turns out I am leaving sham ko. So packing chal raha hai. I think mostly sab ho gaya hai. I have my outfits, my chamki wala outfit, makeup, hair. I think we have everything. We just left and there's traffic on the road. Can someone please explain why is there traffic on the road? Just got home and the TV is finally installed. Aditya was here to help. He got everything installed. So this is what the TV looks like, and of course my video is playing in the backdrop. Looks really nice. The AC also got installed. Abhi thoda halat kharab hai situation ka. We need to fix it, but the AC is installed and also the fridge is here. Again, very messy, I know. Washing machine. Washing machine. Sorry, washing machine is here. Fridge bhi dikhai deti hu. This is the fridge. I know. Guys, please ignore this mess. We need to figure it out soon. Hi guys, and welcome to the next day. So I was supposed to start filming in the day, like in the morning, but we couldn't do that because we were finalizing a new product. By the time this video goes up, I'm sure we've already launched the product. We'll talk about the product in a bit. Today, as you can see, we have a little bit of a setup going on. So today I am filming for the intro that again you've probably seen by this point. So I went for this like 70s 80s inspired ponytail, obviously, with like the side parting and curl thoda karna baki. I'll do that.
Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
And this is the setup that we have going on right now, not this. So I got these cupcakes from Cake Town. I'll make sure to link their details in the description box below. Really nice. ऐसे random थोड़े pearls डाले, एक mirror है. We still need to get a couple of glasses also here, and I think it should be complete then. Adu, say hi.
No.
This is the dress I'm wearing. It's from Forever 21. बहुत ही ज़्यादा expensive मिला मुझे, but अभी lockdown के time पे I couldn't find anything, so I got whatever, like the first thing that I found. Wow, excuse me Aditya, I'm vlogging. And these are the heels that I'm gonna be wearing, again from Forever 21. They look nice, but they're such a pain. Hi, so signing in after 2 hours. It took us 2 hours to film a 10-second intro. Yeah, I actually expected कि हो जाएगा आधे एक घंटे में, but here we are. It actually turned out really well. I didn't expect it to go so well, but I think it has. I really like the footage so far, thanks to Aditya. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me ये fur jacket कहाँ से है? So this is from Shein. I got it a long time ago. So yeah, last moment पे मुझे सूझा कि maybe एक fur jacket अच्छा लगेगा, and I think that is what like tied the whole look together. So I'm really happy. Now we're gonna clean everything up, which is my least favorite part of a shoot.
Hours later.
So I've changed into something a little bit more comfortable, and I'm gonna start removing my makeup. But I wanted to show you guys a really cool product that I've been using to remove my makeup. The Mamaearth Micellar water. It's a foaming makeup remover with rose water and glycolic acid. So you guys know I used to do kind of like a two-step process to remove my makeup, because face wash can remove your makeup but only to an extent. So this product is amazing because this not only helps remove your makeup because it has micellar water, but it also does it very gently because it has rose water in it. By the way, you can use this product also as a daily cleanser, not just a makeup remover. What I really love about this product is this silicone brush right here. It's so convenient to have everything right here. You don't need a separate cotton pad or anything on those sorts. You literally have your makeup remover right here. I'm not gonna ramble anymore. Let me show you a demo of this product. The formula of this product is so great that you can literally remove your makeup, whether it's waterproof, heavy or light, within 1 minute. Do take the 1 minute challenge for yourself as well. So the 1 minute challenge is about removing your makeup under a minute. I'm able to remove my makeup under a minute, as you'll see very soon. But I want you guys to share your experiences with me as well in the comments down below. For me personally, the selling point of this product is that it reduces my makeup removal process to just one. Like all Mamaearth products, this product too is made up of all natural ingredients. If you're interested in this product or any other Mamaearth product, you can use my code Mridul2020 to get a 20% off. Mamaearth products are available on mamaearth.in, Amazon and Nykaa. As you can see, this product has done a beautiful job at melting all of my makeup off, and you can see all of my makeup on this brush, which is so satisfying. I'm quickly gonna go and rinse my face off and I'll show you an after. I'm back. So I've come super close to the camera so that you can see for yourself that there's no trace of makeup anywhere. To top it up, I'm gonna be using the Mamaearth Rose Face Toner. This has witch hazel and rose water in it. Now this is just gonna help me correct and balance the pH of my skin. So I think that's it. I'm gonna go call it a night. It's been a hectic day. I'm gonna go sleep and I'll catch you tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to another day. Today is a filming day as well. As you can see, today we're filming for the new product that we're gonna launch, I think tomorrow most probably. So let's go a little bit back and set up the whole space.
Flashback.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind?
Just taking flat lays. Aditya's assisting me. बहुत difficulty हो रही है, but ठीक है. So we just got done filming. कितने बजे हैं? 9:40. So we need to pack up ASAP because I need to go home. कल से the series is beginning and I still need to edit the intro. Oh my god. ठीक है, but हो जाएगा, उसको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. But I need to go home, and also my mom's made pav bhaji, so I'm excited for that. Really excited. I'm so hungry. Need to pack up and I'll catch you guys in the car maybe. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm back home and having some bread bhaji because pav milna is so difficult in the lockdown. So excited about this. Hi guys, so it is the end of September. I tried so hard the whole day to try and vlog, and today was such a hectic day. We launched our Stationery Kit 2.0 along with my dream planner, like my 5-year journal. I have been dreaming about that book for a while, and I'm so happy that it's finally live, and so many of you guys really appreciate it and like the idea. So I'm so happy. about it. Other than that, I uploaded my first video along with the intro, which again we've been working really hard on. I want to thank Priyanka if she's watching this video. She's the one who helped me bring the whole idea to life, right from like props and the ideas and just like the details. She was there all along. So if you're watching this, thank you. And I have to thank Aditya also, because without him none of this would have been possible, right from the intro shoot, because he shot the whole thing, obviously the stationery kit and just like everything. Today's video he helped me edit, like do the first rough cut. So yeah, I'm so fulfilled, but I need to clean my room. Let me show you what a mess my room is in. No matter what I do or what I don't do, my room still ends up looking like such a mess. Check out my room. So cleaned my room, took a shower in like a fresh set of PJs. I'm always wearing PJs. You guys always ask me kahan hai PJs. हमेशा description box check करो, हमेशा वहाँ पे link होगा. I'm gonna sit down and write in my 5-year journal. This is what it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? So this has been like a huge part of my nighttime routine. I haven't been able to share it with you guys, obviously, because product launch nahi hua tha. But every night before I go to bed, I take 5 minutes out, 5 minutes bhi nahi lagta to be honest, to write down like my answer to the question. I'll show you what I mean. So this is what the inside looks like. There's a new question every single day, as you can see. So basically यहाँ पे there's like a gap, okay? So you can write the date in and then write the answer to your question. So basically, if you don't know how to write a journal, if you find it difficult, these are prompts that are gonna help you out. Basically write something about your day and just like reflect, and then when you come back to this journal the next year, the very same day, you're gonna be able to see the growth and like the difference in you that you've made in a year. So the question for today is, what makes you the happiest? So I'm gonna sit down, write my answer, just unwind. Today I'm gonna be giving away these products from Mamaearth. In order to win this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe, like the video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simbaa Lifestyle, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. So I'm driving after 5 months. I'm very nervous. वैसे भी कुछ खास चलाना आता नहीं था, अब 5 महीने बाद चला रही हूँ. Can you keep the phone and guide me? We'll vlog in a bit, guys. रुक जा.
ये मैं मेरे लिए ले रहा हूँ, तेरे लिए थोड़ी है. This is the BTS that the people ask for.
Shut up.
One second. आराम से. ड्रम है, आराम से.
कुछ नहीं हुआ नसीब में.
चल.
So anyway, I wanted to say कि I haven't vlogged in a few days, 1.5 days, because I was just editing non-stop because रोज डालना है ना video. So anyway, I'm done with like 2 videos. So आज का video ready है, कल का भी video ready है. So we are out to collect my birthday gift from my parents. मतलब जो मेरे parents ने दिया है. You'll see it in a video, upcoming video. So बस वही बोलना था. बस और कुछ नहीं है बोलने के लिए. And this is what I made for dinner, just some stir-fried veggies, boiled them and then stir-fried them, and then I like to add some jaljeera, nimbu and lal mirchi powder, and it's so yummy. Hi guys, so it is 3:40 in the morning. So आज रात को 1 बजे I got like this burst of energy and I was like, you know what, let's film. So I started doing my makeup रात को 1 बजे, and now I just got done filming one video. I don't think I'm gonna do one more video. मन हो रहा है, but I know I should not do that anymore. So I'm gonna wrap up and go to sleep, but I wanted to come on here and end this vlog. Actually, you know what, before I end the vlog, check out my top, because I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me where is this from. So this is from this Instagram store called Style Ash. I'll of course link it in the description box below. I am obsessed with this top. I think I'm gonna order it in a bunch of different colors, but the reason why I'm ending today's vlog here is because I know I'm not gonna do anything this week. All I do is shoot and edit, and क्या ही vlog करूँ उसमें. So I'm gonna end this vlog. I think I'm gonna see you soon. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. You guys seem to really like my week in my lives. So I hope this was interesting. I hope this was fun. I'm gonna see you in my birthday vlog next. Till then, take care.